Make it count, make it count.
Tilo, why did we slow?
Of sportsman like. Now sportsman like with that, man. Yeah. No draw. Go for there, no draw. Back. Forward. Fight you one more. I'm mic'd up. So Jigo rest. Not 3-3 now. Boy. Make it count. Lock it. I told you not to count me out. See that I really got it. I was singing out. Once you wish you all out. When I left you, and now I see your face drop. Young money.
Nobody's 100. 300 will still die. Will still die. Nice shot. Let's go. Let's go. Tilo, why did we slow? Left hand. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Hey, go. New day, new game of basketball. Nothing different from one. Quick, Musti, Johnny, you must be at the corner. Don't come and start up at the free throw line. Corner. This is the key. We have to be hard, we have to be aggressive, and we have to really box out. These young boys can jump, they want to come crash the ball, let's box out. 5-man box out. We don't want the one guy strolling to the bucket to go and free.
1, 2, 3. Good start.
Isaiah, Musti, Johnny.
Let me carry my jacket.
Come back. You know where Jesse is?
I just tell you, I'll go get them.
Okay. I think they say whether you don't care to come out. Puchi.
Hey, E-Dogger.
Precious. Very good.
All right, let's go. Hey. Nice. This is good, boy. Play two, I play him. You play two, I play him. I block.
Don't go. Nice one.
You okay? Hey!
So far, so good. The best player of the tournament, I rate Aboje because
I think it's Isaiah. Isaiah is the only consistent player.
okay, he's consistent, but Aboje is consistent both offensive and defensive.
Isaiah is also offensive. He has never had a bad day.
But Isaiah is more of an offensive player, not a defensive player. And you cannot compare. Aboje is a consistent player. He drops 20 points every game.
And Isaiah drops 20 and above every game.
Aboje has like over 5 steals every game.
If you want to talk about Isaiah has steals as well. So if you want to check stats, then maybe we can check stats.
Isaiah shoots. Isaiah connects for three. Jabs, goes up, connects on the three. Under 4 to play here in the second quarter. Olisemeka back on the floor for Rivers Hoopers. Idoga to Isaiah. Isaiah goes up, connects on the three. Push to Umar. Umar will shoot. Connects on another three. Umar hitting up. Isaiah being guarded by Friday Haruna. Buchi has the ball. Buchi goes in. Misses. Isaiah with the rebound and a putback. Most missing. Umar connects for 3. 9 seconds left here in the first half. Leading by 7. As Friday is blocked by Malik. Back to Friday. Pressure. To Yak. Yak goes up. Yak score. Down for now. Being guarded by Isaiah Williams, who has 16 points so far in this game. Umar. Back to Friday. Friday gets the ball to the middle. Kicks to Yak. Yak pumps it. Yak turns. Yak turnover. Olisemeka pushing the ball down. Hoopers have numbers. And Olisemeka will flush it down. Pressure. Stop. Shoot. 2 is good. Isaiah to Malik. Malik back to John. John Idoga goes up, scores 2 for Hoopers. Isaiah. Idoga connects on the 3 from the corner. Turnover. On the other end, Malik. Sorry. Oh, pass from Isaiah to Malik. Umar stops, shoots, connects. Umar 15 points in the game so far. Entry pass to Malik. Malik goes up, connects over to Kuma. Player for Rivers Hoopers. Pressure being guarded by Amayu. Pressure goes up, connects over Amayu. Pushing the ball down. Being guarded by Harry. is sneaking. Idoga will score. Amayo, guy guarding Harry to Yaks. Yaks to Umar. Umar turns and shoots. Connects. A Remy Bazaya and Azaya will shoot again. Connects. And you can hear the fans going wild. Yak goes up. Missing. He dug out the rebound. Amayo on the other end. Amayo goes up. Amayo will score. Points. And Azaya with 19. Precious pushing the ball down for now. Precious gets to the middle, float. Missing. Last week to Yaks. Yaks drives. Yaks goes up, draws the foul. And one. Butchie driving. Goes up. Butchie will score. Okaja to Precious. Precious to Umar. Umar to Okaja in the paint. Okaja, no space. Turns to Pressure. Pressure goes up. Missing. Jude with another rebound. Jude goes up, missing. Mario flushes down for Hoopers. And the lead is back to 10. Under 7 to play here in the fourth quarter. Chukuma backing down with Semeka. Chukuma turns to Jude. Jude will score.
Up, and one. Yeah, bring him back. Stay. Sportsmanlike. Now, sportsmanlike with that, man. Yeah, right. Sharp. How do. Stay up. You don't collect it, stay up.
Let's try. Let's go continue the attack. Hey, guys, they have to collect it.
Okaja watch. Hey, go tennis. Jude. Got up. Oh. Ow. Hey. No draw. Go for there, no draw. Come on for there. Na foul. Fuck you up, bro. He's frustrated. Damn. Bro. Give us score now. Come on. Boy, this is not fair now. Boy. Yeah. Switch everything. Switch everything. Switch everything. Yes. Stop. Foul! Oh my God! Foul! Oh my God! No. I want to take a bigger.